autistic, what does the spectrum mean to you? Traits like, say, literal thinking, sensory issues, or speech problems. If you have a certain amount of these traits and others, that places you on the spectrum. Hi, this is the Independent Autistic, and on this channel we empower young adult autistics to independence. Intelligence is about your IQ. Are we placed on the spectrum because of our IQ test? What does it mean to have severe communication challenges? Some people would not score well on an IQ test because of their communication challenges. But this gap can be bridged, and when they can communicate, we find that they are highly intelligent. There are support needs. Are you placed on the spectrum based on your support needs? If you need more support from the outside, does that place you farther down on the spectrum or up on the spectrum? I'm not sure that anyone knows what the spectrum means. There is severity of impairment. If your autism reaches the stage of severity of impairment so that you need full-time care, does that place you up or down on the spectrum? There are functioning labels. There are people who say I'm high-functioning autism or low-functioning autism, but these labels seem to mean nothing. They tend to be a knee-jerk stereotypical reaction to autistic people by neurotypicals who don't understand the real struggles many autistics face that are not immediately apparent. Sometimes an autistic is high-functioning, and sometimes they're barely getting by and need lots of support. The best definition of the spectrum that I've heard is the autism spectrum is the idea that any of these traits can be present at any point on the spectrum. Has nothing to do with severity, has nothing to do with support needs. It has to do with these traits combining in a unique way for you. Wherever you are on the spectrum, you have traits that are unique to you, and it's never the same mix. Some mixes are closer to you and some are farther away, but all on the spectrum. So enjoy being on the spectrum, whatever that means to you. Please comment and give me your version of the spectrum today. Like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, you were born different to make a difference. Thank you.